My dear students, we'll be discussing the problems of steam turbine today. So let us have a recapitulations of the steam turbine. What is happening in the steam turbine? In one stages, there is one nozzle is there. One nozzle is there. From the nozzle, steam is coming out with a velocity v1, absolute velocity. Then it enters in the moving blades. So this is the moving blades. So it enters, because it is also rotating, so it enters the moving blade with a velocity vr1, then leaves with a vr2 and absolute. So v1 is the absolute velocity of the steam at the entry of the moving blades, and v2 is the absolute velocity of the steam at the exit of the moving blade. vr1 is the relative velocity of the steam at the inlet of the moving blades, and vr2 is the relative velocity at the exit of the moving blades. Now if we just couple both this is the inlet velocity triangle and this is the outlet velocity triangle. If we couple, then we get this one. So this is the v1 and this is the vr1. So one thing has to be remembered, that you have to remember that vr1 vector plus vv vector must be equal to v1 vector. So you see, this is the v1, arrow is this side, and vv is equal to v1. Similarly at the exits also, vr2 plus vv must be equal to v2. These two equations holds good. You just remember that vr1 and vr2 is the coming in the same point, and v1 and v2 in the coming in the same point. Now another thing is the angle. So nozzle is installed some angle. So this angle is the alpha, nozzle angle. So here is the alpha is the nozzle angle. Beta 1, this is the, because the moving blade is the, in the impulse turbine, in the case of impulse turbine, this is a curved one, isn't it? So beta 1 is the inlet velocity triangle, inlet velocity angle. So this is the inlet velocity angle, and beta 2 is the outlet or exit velocity angle. So this angle beta 2. So this is the velocity triangles. So okay. Now already I have shared the problems with you. So with the first problem, let us discuss what is in the first problems. So these parts let, so you have understood this is a nozzle, this is not required, but this velocity diagram is required. So that's why I am just erasing this part, this is the nozzle and the moving blades, because we have understood already. So these parts I am erasing. So in our first problem, what is the given? Given the velocity of the steam entering in the impulse turbine is 1000 meter per second. So velocity of the steam entering impulse turbine is 1000. That means V1. What is given? V1 is 1000 meter per second. So what are the problems? What are the data given? Let us see. And the nozzle angle is alpha. Nozzle angle is 20 degree. That means alpha. That means alpha is 20 degree. So alpha is 20 degree. So that is the alpha is 20 degree. 20 degree. What it is? The mean peripheral velocity of the blade. That is the VV. That is the VV. What is telling? What is the VV? VV is how much? 400 meter per second. This is the given. And the blades are symmetrical. So blades are symmetrical means, so these blades are symmetrical. So that means this angle is the inlet blade angle beta 1, and this is the outlet angle beta 2. So that means beta 1 must be equal to beta 2. So this means, so meanings of equiangular, that means beta 1 is equal to beta 2. So these angles and these angles are same. Okay, you understand that? Beta 1 and beta 2 is same. Beta 1 and beta 2 is same. Then what is the other thing is given? Symmetrical. Now if the steam is to, yes sir, yes. Say, which equiangular, which the blades are symmetrical. Blades are symmetrical মানে এই ব্লেডটা এই অ্যাঙ্গেল, এখানকার শেপ আর এখানকার শেপটা সেম, তাহলে দিস অ্যাঙ্গেল, এটা এই অ্যাঙ্গেল আর এই অ্যাঙ্গেল সেম। ওকে, So equivalent, beta 1 is nozzle না blade moving blades এর অ্যাঙ্গেলটা মানে ব্লেডটা ইউ সি দা ব্লেড, এই যে ব্লেডটা আছে তো, ব্লেডটা যদি এরকম থাকে, দিস ইজ দা ব্লেড, তাই তো, এই যে ব্লেড, এই দিস ইজ দা ব্লেড, শেখাবো দিস ইজ দা ব্লেড। তাহলে স্টিম এই যে অ্যাঙ্গেলটা করছে এখান থেকে, দিস অ্যাঙ্গেল, সো এই যে ইফ ইউ সি এই যে এখান থেকে আছে, ইফ ইউ গো স্টিম ইজ গোয়িং লাইক দ্যাট, তাহলে এই যে অ্যাঙ্গেলটা, স্টিমটা যে অ্যাঙ্গেলে ব্লেডের সঙ্গে যে অ্যাঙ্গেল করছে, ব্লেডের ডাইরেকশনটা কোথায়, হোয়াট ইজ দ্য ডাইরেকশন অফ দ্য ব্লেড, ব্লেডের ডাইরেকশন হচ্ছে দিস ওয়ান। তাহলে স্টিমটা ঢুকছে, হাউ ইজ এন্টারিং দিস ওয়ান, সো এই যে ডাইরেকশনটা, এই যে অ্যাঙ্গেলটা, সেই অ্যাঙ্গেলটা হচ্ছে ব্লেড অ্যাঙ্গেল, ইনলেট ব্লেড অ্যাঙ্গেল। আর যখন এক্সিট, অ্যাট দ্য টাইম অফ এক্সিট, সো দিস ইজ দ্য বিটা। ওকে, নাও বলছে ইকুইঅ্যাঙ্গুলার, this is if the shapes are equiangular, then beta 1 and beta 2 is same, so that means beta 1 beta 2 is same. Now there is like, if the steam is enter the blades without shock, that means without shock that means the blades are, no frictions is there, in the blades there is no friction, there is a frictionless, no shock, this is a frictionless, so that means VR1 inlet relative velocity and VR2 both will be same, because there is no friction, no losses, তাহলে VR1 and VR2 will be same. So you understand, there is no frictions, so that means VR1 and so VR1 is equal to VR2 is given. Now he is telling, find out and neglecting the friction effects, calculate the tangential force on the blades. He asked many things. What has to be found out? Let me see. We have to find out that tangential force PT, axial force PT, and the diagram power, that means WD, how much power is produced, and the diagram efficiency eta D. Yes. ব্লেডটা ঘোরাবে, সেটা অ্যাবসলিউট ভেলোসিটি কমবে, কিন্তু রিলেটিভ ভেলোসিটি কমবে না, তাই তো, কারণ আমি যদি একটা বল ছেড়ে দিই ফ্রিকশনলেসের উপরে, একটা প্লেট অফ ফ্রিকশন যদি তার না থাকে, তার এখানকার ভেলোসিটি ওখানকার ভেলোসিটি সেম থাকবে, কারণ ব্লেডের মধ্যে সে ঢুকছে ফ্রিকশনলেস, কিন্তু অ্যাবসলিউট ভেলোসিটি চেঞ্জ হবে। ওকে, ভেরি গুড, দ্যাট মিনস VR1 আর VR2 will be remain same, but V1 not equal to V2, তাই না, V2 লেস হয়ে যাবে, V2টা লেস হয়ে যাবে, যেটা বলছো V2টা লেস হয়ে যাবে, বিকজ সাম পাওয়ার উইল বি প্রডিউসড বাই দ্য টারবাইন is produced, so actual velocity will be less, so V1 will be greater than V2 or V2 will be less than V2, but VR1 এর কোনো চেঞ্জ হবে না, যেহেতু ওখানে কোনো ফ্রিকশন নেই। ওকে, গট ইট, কিন্তু অ্যাকচুয়াল ভেলোসিটি কমে যাবে, দ্যাট ইউ আর রাইট। এবং আমাকে কি বলে দিয়েছে যে মাস ফ্লো দিয়ে দিয়েছে, m dot is given how much, 0.75 kg per second, 0.75 kg per second, so this is the m dot, how much steam is flowing inside the, so we have to find out. Now this problem can be solved in two ways, analytically it can be solved, or graphically. I will solve both this way. This problem can be solved analytically and graphically. So okay, let us solve it in the analytical. So this problem, let us solve it analytically first. So we have to find out this one. Now if we see analytically, and we have to find out beta 1 and beta 2. How will find out the beta 1 and beta 2? If I draw it like this, if I take this triangle, আমি এগুলো মুছে দিচ্ছি, এগুলো এখন আর দরকার নেই আমার কাছে, এটা আমার কাছে দরকার নেই, is not required now. So this is the VB, so this is the V1 and this is the alpha, তাহলে this পুরোটা কি হবে, V1 cos alpha, এইটুকু কত, this is the VB কত, VB is this one, তাহলে এইটুকু কত হবে, So this one will be V1 cos alpha minus VV, this portion, because this portion is, this is the V1, this is the alpha, so this will be V1 cos alpha and this is VV. What will be this one? V1 cos alpha minus VV. Okay, now you consider, and this, what will be this one? What will be this one? এটা কত হবে? This is the V1, this is the alpha, তাহলে এটা হবে কি V1 sin alpha. You understand? So this is the V1, this is the alpha, so this is the perpendicular, that is V1 sin alpha, this is the V1 cos alpha. Now if we consider this triangle ABC, if you consider this triangle ABC triangle, what I will get? Tan beta 1 is equal to AB by BC. AB by BC, what is the AB? AB is equal to V1 sin alpha. What is the BC? BC is the V1 cos alpha minus VB. I know what is the V1. V1 is given 1000. What is the sin alpha? 20. Sin 20. What is the V1? 1000 cos alpha into cos 20. What is the VB? VB they are giving 400. So all this, so tan beta 1 is equal to this. So I can do the calculation. From their calculation I will get beta 1. How much? Beta 1 is equal to 32.36 degree. Okay. So they have told beta 1 and beta 2 is equal to same. So this is also equal to beta 2. This is okay. Now